Poland has more than one wild frontier. In the northeast, Podkarpackie, with the Białowieża forest. In the southeast, the Podkarpackie, with the Bieszczady mountains. These twin natural oases are far apart, but both are sparsely populated and home to bison, wolves and lynx. Today we'll be visiting Podkarpackie, a land of wild ridges, comfort mountain food and fairy tale castles. Cześć, these are the Bieszczady mountains, remote, wild and open. They say here is just you, the wind and endless meadows. Let's see if that's true. Bieszczady National Park covers over 290 square kilometers and it's part of the UNESCO East Carpathian Biosphere Reserve. Nearly 80% of the park is natural forest. Many say this is the most romantic part of Poland. Here visitors can find refuge from the hustle and bustle of city life by hiking and admiring the amazing scenery, and it's exactly what me and Barbara are going to do. Our walk through the forest brings us to the start of the main Beskid Trail.
Szlak beskidzki, przy którym się znajdujemy, którym podróżujemy, jest najdłuższym górskim szlakiem pieszym w Polsce. Ma około 500 km długości.
Bieszczady is home to the wildest part of the trail, with high pastures known as Poloniny, where shepherds once came to graze their sheep. This is Polonina Wetlińska, an 8-kilometer ridge rising to 1,255 meters. From here, the view is breathtaking. We can see mountain ranges, and there are only a few houses inside. These mountains are an increasingly popular destination, and it's easy to see why.
Tutaj też mogę zapomnieć o sprawach, o problemach dnia codziennego. Jestem tak bliżej nieba, bliżej Boga. Jest to niewątpliwie prawda. Każdy człowiek potrzebuje kontaktu z naturą i tego kontaktu nie brakuje.
Look at this view. This is Bieszczady at its best. It's time for a well-earned bite. I've arrived at the gate of the Bieszczady Mountains. Lesko is a small mountain town likely founded in the 14th century with a rich history and multicultural heritage. It's in this picturesque little town that I'm about to discover the tastes and traditions of the mountains by cooking a local dish. Dzień dobry!
Dzień dobry!
Today, my teachers are going to be a group of women from a countryside association who regularly cook together, keeping local recipes and traditions alive. So what are we preparing today?
Nasze danie regionalne, główne takie danie regionalne, to są gołąbeczki z tartych ziemniaczków surowych, zapiekane w liściach z kapusty parzoną, a drugie danie to są nasze regionalne proziaki, czyli tak zwane bułeczki na szybko.
Bieszczady cuisine is renowned for its simplicity and satisfying flavors. It's based around local ingredients and blends the flavors of lots of different cultures found on the borders here.
Sekret tkwi w tym, że czym prościej, tym smaczniej. Czyli nic niewydziwionego, byle najprościej, a sam smak pochodzi od tego, że wszystko jest wyprodukowane.
There are lots of types of golobki, but the one we are preparing today follows a traditional recipe from Bieszczady. Just a few ingredients are mixed together and it's very easy and quick to make. At least it is for these ladies. While the rolls are in the oven for about 2.5 hours, we have time to prepare another delicious local dish called proziaki. It's a classic recipe with simple ingredients: flour, eggs, buttermilk or yogurt, salt and baking soda. They can be served hot or cold and often spread with jam or garlic butter. It's a humble recipe passed down through generations that is now a symbol of local pride.
Robiąc te dania, wszystkie dziewczyny tutaj są młodsze, starsze. Wszystkie przypominają sobie właśnie te dziecięce lata, te lata takie, które spędziły tutaj w większości na wsi, bo w większości żeśmy się tutaj urodziły i kultywujemy to dalej. Te smaki zostają gdzieś tam.
In the meantime, our golubki is ready and I can't wait to try it.
Bardzo dobry. Very good. It's delicious.
These are wholesome and filling dishes, perfect after a long hike. Nourished and re-energized, I have one last stop, Baranov Sandomierski, a small town famed for its magnificent castle. This Renaissance building was designed in the late 16th century by Florentine architect Santi Gucci on the site of a medieval manor. It has been nicknamed the Little Wawel because of its resemblance to Krakow's royal palace. This castle is one of the best preserved Renaissance buildings in Europe. It has 4 corner towers and a central clock tower leading into the courtyard. There's also a fan-shaped staircase and columns adorned with carved faces. It stands in a 14-hectare park with 3 gardens.
W naszym zamku znajdują się 3 ogrody. Przed hotelem znajduje się ogród francuski, tuż obok niego ogród włoski z przepiękną rzeźbą kobiety, często przez naszych gości nazywanych labiryntem, oraz park w stylu angielskim, który jest bardzo krajobrazowym, różanym parkiem, do którego bardzo często zaglądają młode pary i osoby, które chcą zrobić sobie zdjęcia na pamiątkę.
Inside the castle, there's the Tilmanovska Gallery with the rich stucco and Italian cityscape paintings and an Art Nouveau chapel. Here, grand architecture and exquisite furnishings combine. And this castle offers something special to guests seeking a truly immersive experience.
Mało w którym zamku można skorzystać z noclegu w oryginalnych komnatach, oryginalnie urządzonych, tak jak za dawnych czasów i spełniające dokładnie takie same funkcje, jakie spełniały 12 komnat, które mamy tutaj we wnętrzach zamku. One mają swój niepowtarzalny zapach, niepowtarzalny klimat. Każda z komnat jest zupełnie inna i gościła królów.
And of course, I couldn't resist trying this experience out for myself.
This is key for your room. For this night you can be a princess on the castle.
From the ridges of Bieszczady to Lesko's kitchens and now to a Renaissance castle, Podkarpackie has revealed its fairy tale charm. And to wrap up my stay here, I get to end the day in true princess style. Good night!